we have a very, very special guest. Hi, Nick!
I miss you.
I miss you too. We've been friends for almost 2 decades.
Yes. Sa ano to? Sa Marina?
Yes. Sabi ko talaga, gusto ko to. Maganda pero pangit ugali. Gusto ko to. Grabe. Kasi we have so much in common. Like, pareho kaming maganda.
Oo. True naman.
Yes? Para sa akin, today, mas kamukha mo pa si Julia Roberts kesa kay Julia Roberts. Sa totoo lang. Oo. Kamusta yung social battery mo?
Wala masyado.
Do you have your dating apps? Do you have
Meron
your...
akong dating. Tignan natin. Say something about yourself. Emma,
Oo.
Tapos, okay. Wala na. Natulog na ako.
We celebrate you not only on your birthday,
And
but
yeah.
every day. Yes!